Welcome back, guys. And right now we'll be able to perform a search, and the next thing we want to do is to start a mood board. So I'm going to open the start a mood board so we can start a mood board, and the last thing you do is to share your own work. We'll do all that. So let's look at how to start a mood board. So I'm going to click on start a mood board, and you say mood board name. We can say logo presentation, or we can just name it graphic design in general. You can just name it graphic design in general, and I'll create. Once I create that mood board, it's going to take me to where I created the mood board, and as you can see, we have a whole lot of portfolios we've opened already. This is the one of graphic design portfolio that we opened, and it's loaded up right now, and this is what it looks like. It looks great actually from the designer that did this, and we are going to close that. And this is a logo folio that showcase different logos by this designer, and it looks so good. A logo and a presentation, it looks so good so far as I'm looking at it right now. And you can close that, and this is flyer design from a designer as well, and it's not looking bad as well. So they've all done well by presenting on Behance, and that's what we are doing right now. We want to create your portfolio on Behance. So this is a mood board by Williams A. Beloved. If you can come here and you say edit your mood board and say frame projects for your mood board, use mood board to save projects for research, inspiration, or just because you love them. And these are projects it's suggested you might like, and we can just take any of these projects and say we want to save it for our mood board. Mood board is where you draw inspiration from. Once you save something as a mood board, you draw inspiration from it. And let me check this work up. I think is something I would like. This is a brand design, and this is a presentation. It's actually a logo presentation, and it looks so great as you can see it. This is a vibe. This is something you can draw inspiration from. So I'll add this to my mood board. Actually, I'll add this to my mood board. You can create something like this as well, as simple as according to the logo presentation we did earlier. You can just open your CorelDRAW and look for an image. You just create like a cover page and create something like this, and this is your major logo design, and this is the color palette, and this is a mock-up of colors. As you can see, it looks so great. This is a stock photo, this is a mock-up, this is a mock-up, and this is a mock-up as well. These are things you have to download online. You have to download these resources online. Mock-up, this is a mock-up, and mock-up, stock image, mock-up, and mock-up. So these are mock-ups, and it looks so great, right? You can see it right now, and that's a brand identity for mock-up. So we're going to come back here to save our design. We're going to come back here to save it to our mood board. So we're going to save this, and saving this, you take it to your mood board, the graphic design mood board we created, and you can create a new mood board. But I'm going to save this and save right here. I'm going to click on save again to create a new mood board. I can say brand identity. Okay, so we create this mood board as well, and we have a brand identity mood board, and we save that right here. Right now we've learned how to save like inspirations in the mood board, so you can check them out for later. You can come to your profile to check your profile out, and in the next video we are going to learn how to brand your profile. As you can see, this is a profile checklist, but all you want to do is to come to our mood board. This is your mood board right here. Once you click on mood board, it brings you to your mood board where you have those designs saved, and this is one of the mood board, which is brand identity, and this is graphic design mood board. I hope to see you in the next video where we get to brand your profile as a designer before we create our portfolio. See you in the next video.